Hi, and let's do a pelvic adjustment yoga session in English. Pelvic is the area of your body where your pelvis is and your hip joints. So it's going to focus on that area. And you can do this practice while lying down. By staying in a supine position or a face up position, you'll be able to release tension in your body and focus more easily on your pelvis and hip joints. And this video is a translation of a very popular Japanese yoga instructor, Mariko from B Life, or now known as B Flow. You might think, what are the benefits of doing this flow in English? Doing something you already know in Japanese and then doing the same thing in English is a fantastic way to improve your English listening skills. So when you're learning English, if you read a book you already know in Japanese and then read it in English, it's easier to understand the context and the meaning and the story when you're reading it in your second language, English. So this works the same for yoga. If you want to watch the original video, you can watch it up here. And please check out Mariko's channel for some fantastic yoga sessions in Japanese. So let's practice some yoga in English. Let's go! Let's start by laying face up on your mat. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop open to the sides. This helps release tension around your hips. Now bring your right knee up. Place both hands on the floor and lift your right hip. Be careful not to let your right shoulder lift off the floor. Press your right hip forwards to stretch the muscles around your pelvis. Now let's switch sides. Return your legs to the starting position. Then lift your left knee. Press the floor with your left foot and lift your left hip high. Stretch the front of your left hip, helping to improve pelvic alignment and posture and to reduce issues like a hunched back. Lower your hips back down and bring your feet together again. Relax for a moment. Bend both knees, keeping your feet hip width apart. Grab your ankles if you can, or leave your hands on the floor. Gently sway your knees side to side, aiming to keep the movement even on both sides. This helps to adjust your pelvis. And is great for improving the muscles around your hips. Especially if they tend to rotate outwards. Only a few more rounds. Bring your feet back to hip width. Keep your knees bent. Lift your right leg up. Clasp your hands behind your leg, on your thigh, by your hamstring, and feel the stretch the back of your leg. Now bend your right knee and bring your ankle onto your left thigh, making a number 4. Lower your hands to the floor and lift your hips up as you inhale, keeping your body in a straight line from knees to shoulders. Lower your hips as you exhale. Try to keep both sides of your pelvis at the same height as you move. Repeat this 2 more times. Inhale up and exhale down. Left knee to your chest and hug your thigh. Feel the stretch in your glutes and let your lower back relax. Release the tension in your pelvis as you hold the pose. Release here. Switch sides. Bring your left leg up to the sky and clasp your hands behind your leg to feel the stretch. Bend your left knee and bring it to the outside of your left thigh, making a number 4. Flex your foot and lift your hips up as you inhale. Lower your hips as you exhale. Repeat 2 more times. Inhale up and exhale down. Making sure both hips are parallel. Drop your bum down to the floor. Bring your right knee towards your chest. Place your hands through the hole. Hug your leg. Feel the stretch in your glutes. And again, let your lower back relax. Release the tension in your pelvis. Bring both your knees to your chest. Lift the soles of your feet towards the sky and grab the outside of your feet with your hands. Pull your knees down towards your armpits, imagining you're pressing your feet into your hands. This is happy baby pose. It helps loosen your hips and relax the muscles around your pelvis. Lift your arms and legs towards the ceiling and gently shake them out, relaxing your wrists and your ankles. This helps improve blood flow and release tension in your shoulders and pelvis. Relax your arms and legs down to the floor and take a few breaths here to relax. Nice work! How are you feeling? Are your hips feeling more relaxed? You might even feel an improved blood flow to your pelvic area, making you feel warmer. I'll be sharing yoga in English videos, as well as some tips and hints about doing and even teaching yoga in English. So if you want to make English yoga a habit, please subscribe to my channel so it helps to support me, so that I can help support you on your English yoga journey. And if you enjoyed this video and want to try another popular Japanese speaking yoga teacher on YouTube, comment their account down below and I'll check it out and I'll share a video with you. At the end of a yoga class, it's Shavasana, the final relaxation. But do you know how to say relax in a different way? So in this video, I'll talk about 33, yes, 33 different ways to say relax. So how many do you know? Check it out here. I'll see you there.